was on the top floor up there, and it started tipping down, so I got off here. This is the flea market, but well worth it. You can get back on again 2 days for $50, and was there like a little park here as well. This is called the flea market, so I went around the whole circle to see. I want to go and see Louis Armstrong Park is up there. It stopped though. Like about 15 minutes of really downpour. I'm soaked, and they give you like ponchos, those plastic things. Well, you know what I like though? Everywhere you stop, I'm stopping in here. Everywhere you stop, even for a coffee, free water. I mean, I can't know it's only tap water, but it's chilled tap water. And this is the flea market here. I'm gonna have a walk around. I'll do another video just to say I finished the bus tour. $50 for 2 days, so I'm gonna do some more tomorrow. I'm not sure. What I'll do is probably do little bits of videos of the places I stop. It's like Malta. Traffic jam after the rain. I don't know what this is. They said something about it was gold plated or something, or I don't know. Oh, you heard it on the bus anyway. She said something about it was gold plated, and it was supposed to be gold and it was gold plated. Or sometimes when they start telling you all this history, it just goes over your head. What a nice area this. So I'm going to go down and do another video of Louis Armstrong Park. A lot of music apparently. This really nice area. This is the flea market area. I don't know what area it is, but I'll do a little video walking around. Oh, this is what it's called. Late Road Park. Open 6 AM to 6 PM daily. French Market District. It's like a flea market in the direct road. I just got off the bus. The Evans opened. I didn't even have a chance to do a little outro. I did it out on the road. It's like, it reminds me of Florida, this. Look at it now, it's beautiful. We started driving from that, I don't know what district. I'm still getting used to it around it. Walking down here, came on the bus, and it started getting darker and darker. And she says, well, you guys at the front, maybe you might think about coming back because we're gonna have a downpour. And the ones at the front, nah, we're okay. We're suddenly, oh, it's quite nice, like this. I don't know if this is the park, and this is it's like a flea market. African crafts, a bit pricey. $45 for these sort of backpacks for women. I just stopped for a coffee up there. It was really nice. It was with a band, jazz band, and that. These $45. Bit pricey, and like these handcrafts, women would love it here. And these African dresses, and yeah, it's like masks. I got loads of these masks. They're a bit out of fashion. I used to import them from Indonesia and from Dubai. There was a guy in Dubai who used to have it so cheap. Look at this old area here. Lots of crafts in there. Oh, loads of hats, eh?
Yeah.
So it seems like it goes all the way down, I think.
No,
I was seeing some here about $50 for these bags. 37. All these hammocks. French market. So this is the French market, I guess. How tropical it is though.
Thank you. I need you.
Oh, flags or something. Loads of different things. These are like hammocks. Buy one hammock, get one 40% off. I think that's over there. We'll go and have a look over there, guys. Come on. This is the flea market, guys. Or like jewelry and things like that. Pistachios. It's looked like it's got fruit and veg down the bottom, maybe. Wow, it's really hot now. It's gone crazy hot, like sweaty hot. It's supposed to be about 37 today, I think, something like that. But with this rain, it made it high humidity.
Such a weird thing.
Grilled cheese, egg sandwich. Wow. So what's this? Bistro, cheese and wine. That's a mozzarellas. Yeah, like a sandwich. Trio spice. Oh, I might buy some of that. I might buy some spice for jambalaya seasoning. Yeah. Okay. See how much it is. I had a comment already. Thanks, guys. That's short about the jambalaya. Somebody said to me, "Why don't you make your own jambalaya, Steve? And buy that seasoning and try it out." Gator on a stick. Wow, it's a really nice old. I don't know what she said. Maybe you catch it better than me. What she said this used to be fish market in the old days. These are holy crepes. Barbecue shrimps, shrimp and jalapeno, cheese grits, jambalaya. Wow, it's a big place. Oh, these are a bit weird. So these are like artisan markets. The flea market is called. Loads of food. I wonder why in Malta we don't get more of this, because it would be so nice if at the flea markets we had the food back again. We only have certain things. It would be so nice to do Maltese food. Oh, nice. Loads of clothes as well here. Jewelry. Now it's warming up, guys. I don't think you get any more rain. Oh, and old books. Because of COVID, we appreciate credit cards to cash at this present time. Just are full of t-shirts. I bought a few t-shirts. These are nice ones. Elvis. Oh, they look old. Wow, it goes for quite a while down there. Like African crafts and things like that. Yeah. Bob Marley and the Wailers. New Orleans, French Quarter. Wow, it goes on for a bit. No music though, guys. Everywhere you've gone in French Quarter, there was music. And this place is nothing. What the hell is he doing, this one? Having his lunch. Handbags, girls. Hundreds and hundreds of handbags here. Wow. A multi-cloth. Loads of jewelry. I think I'll play some jazz in the background. Oh, I love that. Went to last night, went to a place. It was so expensive though. Almost $10 for a small beer. Fantastic jazz music though. So I wonder to hide the cover of the charge for the music. But they had the cheek to come around for tips after. So not only they're charging $10 for a beer, and not even a pint. It was a sort of mini plastic glass, because they serve everything in glasses there. Very, oh, these are like pictures in glass sort of it.
But before they don't.
Wow, loads of African crafts here. Oh, these are for the Mardi Gras. There's no breeze at all. After the rain came, it really got very, very hot. And very quickly the water disappeared from the road. Very similar to Florida. Florida about 3 o'clock in the afternoon used to get a massive downpour. Interesting items though. Jewelry, t-shirts, and loads of shops on the side. Anyway, that was the flea market, guys. I'll be moving on to Louis Armstrong's Park, jazz music, and the sweat. It's dripping already. It's cleared up completely though. See you on the next one, guys. Englishman in New Orleans.